Good morning parents and kids. Welcome to Sai Kids virtual classes. Today is our drawing, or else we can call it our crafts class. We are going to make flower pots out of paper and paper cups. So let's start. So kids, let's start with our craft, and for that all we need is watercolor, 2 cups, paper cups, some rice, two ice cream sticks, and craft papers, 1 printed paper and 2 color papers. And scissors, and of course pencil and eraser. So now let's start with our craft. Now let's start with coloring these cups. We'll use the watercolors that we have got. We'll color 1 cup red and the other one pink. So let's start. Open your color and start coloring it. You'll get a brush with it, so color with that like this. Cover the whole cup with red color. As color will take some time to dry, so we'll have to color the cups first and then go to the paper cutting part. Color the cup fully. Cover it. Use any paper cups that you have. It's not necessary to have this one particularly. Use any paper cups. So here we go. We have already completed coloring the cup. So it's done now. Now we'll color the next cup, and for that take a glass of water and dip your brush so that we can use the other color too. Now let's color the second cup blue. You can use any other colors. I just want to color it blue, so I am doing so. You can use any other color. We have so many options. Start like this. Color it until it covers the whole cup. And here you go, the blue cup is also ready. Dip your brush in the water and we'll start coloring the ice cream sticks. Let's color both the sticks red. Keep your cups aside to dry. Color your ice cream stick like this. So we're done with one stick. Keep it aside to dry. Let's start with the other one. So we are almost done coloring the stick. It's done. Let's keep it aside to dry and let's check if the cups have dried. Yeah, it's pretty dry. Now wash your brush. We are going to use this part of the brush and we are going to make dots using it. Use any color you want to. We'll do with golden color. Let's use this color, the golden one. Try making dots like this. Continue doing the dots. Now do the second line of golden dots, just make it little smaller. Like this. Continue covering the whole cup. Clean the brush and we'll start using. We'll use this part. Put dots in between, like so. The upper line is covered. Let's do the second one. So we are done with the first cup. Look how pretty it got. Be as creative as you can. Now leave it aside to dry. We'll continue with the second cup. Now for the blue cup, we'll take the silver color, silver zinc color, and we'll repeat the process as we did in the red cup. The first layer would be big dots, and the second will be a little smaller than that, and the third will be more smaller than that. Now let's take a red paper and start with making our flowers. For that we'll need a cap, a little small one. We'll need two kind of caps, that is a bigger one for the bigger flower, and then a small one. You can see it like this, that this will be a bigger cap than this. Now let's start pressing our flower on the paper like so. Then continue making the flower. I have already folded this paper in half because we are going to make two flowers. So fold it in half so that it will be easy. So after we are done with this first flower, repeat it with this paper and make a second flower. So this is the red paper. Now let's take the printed paper, fold it in half as well, and start making a flower, but on the opposite side, that is the plain part. I have already done it like this, but do it using a bigger cap. Put it like this, place it like this, and trace the circles. It will give you a way to cut it out. Kids, don't use scissors. Ask your parents to cut the flowers for you. First just roughly cut the flower and then we will give it a shape. way, just cut it up to here, up to where both the circles, all the circles meet, like so that it will give us a flower like effect. Make 2 circles using this bigger cap once again. Only 2 circles are needed. We are done cutting all of the pieces that we made. We'll get something like this. And for the next step, we'll need a Fevicol. We'll just paste, put a little bit of Fevicol and paste it like this, and then put a little bit here and paste it like this. So now we have a flower. Let's do that. So now let's take a little bit of Fevicol. We don't need to erase all this because the red part we'll use the opposite side actually. So we don't need to erase the pencil mark. Just paste. For the second one, search for the pencil side and use the opposite side of the paper. Using a brush to paste it so that I don't get messy. Then paste the yellow part in the middle. Now we have got a flower. Repeat the same process. Now we are done with both the flowers. You don't need to paste the whole flower to the last one, to the bigger one. You just paste the middle part so that it will give us a 3D effect with the flowers. Like so. Now let's paste the ice cream sticks to the flower. Like this. So just measure a bit and then paste it. Paste it using your glue stick or Fevicol, anything that you have. Put Fevicol on the colorful side so that the front of it will show. Paste it to the middle. Now we have a flower. Let's do that to the second one. Now let's make faces on these flowers. Like this. Here's one. Let's make the second one. Do it with with a black pen or any color you want to do. Now we are done with both the flowers. It's a look like this. Keep it aside. Now it's the fun part. You can see the color has already dried. Bring both of the cups. Take the rice you had and divide it into both the cups. Like this, divide the rice, then place the flower sticks inside and it will stick easily. Parents and kids, this is our finished product. Our flower pot is ready, and this was it for today's crafts class. Thank you.